Hi everyone, today we are going to be making this recycled bird feeder out of a bottle. Let's get started. It is a bottle, about 2 feet of yarn, a box cutter or an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors with parent help, a pencil, and some bird feed. Let's get started. Or your X-Acto knife or even your scissors and make a rectangle cut from about here to here. We're just going to keep it in the middle of the bottle. I used both scissors and my box cutter. The next step is to take your box cutter or X-Acto knife, and we're going to create 2 small X's right at the top of the bottle. And this is where your yarn is going to go. Awesome. The next X you're going to make is down here. We have a little bit of the bottle at the bottom, and we're going to make an X right in the middle. Be very careful. And this is where we're going to stick our pencil. Our next step is to take one end of our yarn and feed it underneath the bottle up through one of the X's. Once you've done that, we're going to pull it all the way. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. This is where you're going to hang your bird feeder from. So you can tie it to a tree or tie it to your house. Our next step is to take our bird feed, stand our bottle up, and we're going to fill the bottle with the bird feed to the end of this line. Once you have your bird seed in there, you're going to take our pencil and we're going to find the X that we made earlier, and we're going to stick the pencil right through. And this will be a ledge for the birds to stand on while they eat at your bird feeder.